Hi students, we're going to go through the health information technology assignment. So answers in red, number 1 should be false. Number 2, diagnosis code M7551 is ICD-10. You will have this next semester. In the established patient history and physical, there's several acronyms used by Padam and Meal. Based on your knowledge or by using your textbook or online search, identify what each acronym stands for. So ROS is Review of Systems. We have milliliter, over the counter, milligram, physical exam, temperature, respiratory rate. Okay, so now we go with abbreviations, and you can just kind of look through those. Again, you can pause the tape if you want to change your answers so you have the correct ones coming up. Patients' right to privacy regarding their PHI is provided under what? This is HIPAA. The person who authorized the established patient history and physical note would be the doctor. Okay, the doctor is responsible for history and physical notes. Based on the orders tab, which procedure was formed? And we have the glenohumeral joint injection of the right shoulder. The account tab, view the claim section. What code was used to bill for the procedure above? And this again is something you'll learn next semester, but you should be able to see the J code. And then review the definition for patient encounter listed in the glossary. Does the chart of Lu Hung contain a patient encounter? Yes. This patient encounter is an inpatient visit? No. This is false. Okay, this is outpatient. Any questions on this one? Let me know.